Welcome to One Love Doula Services guide on power pumping and hands-on pumping. My name is Yamel. I'm a registered nurse, doula, childbirth educator, and international board-certified lactation consultant, or IBCLC. The idea behind power pumping is to trick your body into producing more milk by rapidly emptying the breast. Hands-on pumping is a technique used to maximize your milk output. It can be used when we know a true low milk supply or rapid decrease in supply. This method combines the use of your breast pump with hand expression to help you get the most out of your pumping sessions. Let's get started. First, let's review power pumping. Make sure your breast pump is clean and ready to go. Power pumping involves a specific schedule. You'll pump for 20 minutes, rest for 10 minutes, pump for another 10 minutes, rest again for 10 minutes, and then pump for a final 10 minutes. Or to simplify it even further, you can pump 3 times in 1 hour with breaks in between. While you're power pumping, you can gently massage your breast to stimulate milk flow or practice hands-on pumping, which we will discuss next. Stay hydrated and try to relax. Maybe watch a show or listen to some music during your power pumping session. Power pumping can be done once a day for 2 to 3 days straight to help boost your milk supply. It may take a few days to see results, so be patient and consistent. Don't focus on the initial output. Oftentimes, what we do today, we see results tomorrow when it comes to breast milk supply. Your supply is triggered by nipple stimulation and milk removal, which is our exact goal with power pumping. Now let's discuss hands-on pumping for milk flow stimulation. First, let's set up our pump. Make sure all the parts are clean and assembled correctly. Place the breast shields on your breasts. Make sure they fit comfortably and are centered over your nipples. Turn on the pump and start with a gentle suction to get your milk flowing. Now that we have the pump going, let's talk about the hands-on part. Gently massage and compress your breast while the pump is still running in a circular motion and towards the nipple. Use a circular motion around the breast, moving from the outer edges towards your nipples. This helps to stimulate more milk flow from all of the milk ducts. Don't be afraid to apply a bit of pressure, but make sure it feels comfortable and not painful. Hands-on pumping is known to yield 50% more milk output. This means for breastfeeding people who typically extract 1 ounce, they report increasing to 2 ounces once utilizing this technique. Thank you for watching One Love Doula Services guide on power pumping and hands-on pumping. If you enjoyed this video and are preparing for your upcoming birth, join us for our even more breastfeeding related education in our mini birth course, completely free, linked below. If you have been looking to work with an international board certified lactation consultant, we happily provide house calls or virtual visits for those further away. A consultation with a lactation expert can help with troubleshooting, education, or to be a source of support in your lactation journey. Until next time, and happy pumping!